Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about internal assessment. Children, internal assessment is of 20 marks. Out of that, 10 marks will be assignment and 10 project. In this 10 marks, you have to write 2 assignments. That is, first assignment will be of 5 marks and second assignment will be of 5 marks. Project will be of 10 marks, right? But you don't have to give it together. Assignment and project you have to give it separately in PDF form only. Now let me tell you how will you write the assignment and what you have to write. Children, please note that every child has to write 2 assignments. The first assignment, I have the question for you, so note it down. This question is for 8A and 8B. Write a letter to Messrs. Radhe Krishna Publications, 2 Ansari Road, Mukti Nagar, Thane, ordering some titles of NCERT books for your school library. You are Seema or Salil, librarian of Modern School, Mumbai. So this is one assignment for 8A and 8B. The second assignment for 8A and 8B is diary writing. Note down the topic, children. Write a diary entry of the day you surprised your mother on her birthday and brought a smile on her face. Describe in detail how you planned the surprise and what your mother felt about it. Children, this is the first assignment for class 8C and 8D. First is formal letter. You are Akansha or Abhishek, staying in Kanishka Cooperative Housing Society, Indira Nagar, Mumbai. There are no street lights leading to your colony. The road gets dark after 7 in the evenings, and it may lead to some major accidents in future. Write a letter to the editor of National Daily drawing attention of the government to this serious problems of the residents of Indira Nagar. So students of 8C and 8D, pay attention. You have to write the second assignment of informal letter. See the question. Write a letter to your elder brother seeking his advice as to how to study better to get good marks, explaining to him your main difficulties and problems. You are Rohit or Reena of house number 214, Model Town, Khandala. Now students of 8E, F and G will have the first assignment. This is a formal letter, and please note the topic. Write a letter to Messrs. HMT Corporation, Thane, complaining that the wristwatch you recently bought from them does not function properly and ask for replacement. You are Dipti or Deepak Gupta, 450 Sector 20, Thane. So this is a complaint letter. Okay. Now the second assignment for 8E, F and G. You have notice writing. You are Jasmine of class 8B. You have lost your wallet with some money and ID card in it. Write a notice to be put up on the school notice board requesting the finder to return it to you. Promise an assured prize. Children, your notice should include all the following information about the lost item with details of the article, including the date when it was lost, identification marks if any, whom to contact, when and where. For the format, we have already discussed in the videos. Go through the videos, you will understand it better and write neatly. Children, today is 17. So you have to submit your assignment in one PDF file before 8 p.m. on 19th August only. Remember children, so you have only 2 days, right? The minute you get this video, start working on it. Now how and what will you write? For this, I have written it properly. Pay attention. Now write the following details on first page. So on the first page, all these details should come. First, name, then roll number, class, division, SID number. So SID number is very important, right? Now if you are a new child, you will just write new, okay, because you don't have the roll number. Then file name should be given as it is given below. I have given you the example also. First name, then standard deviation, then roll number, then subject. Okay, so I have given a name. Suppose Milind Patil. So how will you write your name? And then underscore 8A. If you are a child of 8A, you will write 8A. Then again underscore. Then your roll number. Suppose it is 22. And underscore English. ENG. That's all. No need of writing it fully. You don't want the file to be very big. Right? After you have written all the details, you have to write the question of the first assignment and write formal letter. Now every child has to write the first assignment, that is formal letter. So you will write first formal letter, then write the question, okay, and then start writing, because all the classes have different question, right? So that is why we are telling you, write formal letter, write the question, and then you write your letter. Then for the second assignment, again you will write the next page, second assignment, then question, and then write whichever writing skill is given according to your division, right? Now where will you write? You can write on A4 size sheet or assignment paper if you have, or full scape paper, right? But you have to remember that you have to send it only in one PDF file, and you have to send it before 8 p.m. on 19th August only. Please remember. Now let me tell you about English project. This we have already discussed in the month of May, but here is a gentle reminder, okay, for you. And let me tell you the topic. If you have written, well and good. If you have still not written, start working on it. The topic is how I spent my summer vacation 2020. So you have to write an essay on this topic. You have to share your experience in 150 to 200 words, and you have to submit this project when we inform you, not now, right? So you will submit it separately in PDF file itself. So this project carries 10 marks and it is individual project. Your essay should include the following points: change in daily routine, online classes, leisure time activities, connecting with friends, changes in nature, lessons learned, and conclusion. You can conclude by taking a promise or give a slogan or make an appeal. Again, I am telling you children, how will you submit your project? Same way as you have to submit your assignment, right? So you will submit the project in one PDF file when informed. That is when we will tell you that date you have to submit. Same way, you have to write the following details on the first page: name, roll number, class, division, SID number. Save the file as given below: name, class, division, roll number, subject. So same way I have written Milind Patil underscore 8A underscore roll number. If you are a new child, you will write new underscore English ENG. That's all. I hope you have understood how you have to submit your assignment and project. Again, I am reminding you children, assignment you have to submit on 19th August before 8 p.m. How you have to submit? We have sent you the video. You have to see it and submit it. Project, you will submit it afterwards. I hope you have understood how you have to submit your assignment and project. Till then, goodbye.